Hi student, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about important topic of class 12 biology, chapter number 6, molecular basis of inheritance. The subtopic is genetic code. This video is very important for your school examination, CBSE board examination, as well as NET examination. Like, comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get lots of video coming soon. So let us learn what is genetic code. So what is genetic code? It is the sequence of nucleotides. Nucleotides are nothing adenine, cytosine, guanine, uracil, nitrogen bases in the messenger RNA, not in the RNA, DNA. It is what? The sequence of nitrogenous bases in messenger RNA that contains information for protein synthesis. That is called translation. The sequence of three bases, say 1, 2, and 3. The sequence of three bases determining a single amino acid. So these three sequence nitrogenous bases will determine one amino acid. That is called codon. So here one triplet is there. It will determine protein number, amino acid number 1. This one will determine this amino acid number 2. GUA amino acid number 3. CGU amino acid number 4, and so on. At 5' codon, there is a start codon is there. So AUG is known as start codon. At 5' in, there is a one codon. Name of the codon is start codon AUG. And at 5' in, there is a stop codon that is called UAA. So George Gamow, this was George Gamow, suggested that for coding 20 amino acids, how many amino acids are there total? 20 amino acids. The code should be made up of 3 nucleotides. Thus, there are 64 codons are there. 4 nitrogenous bases. In one codon, there are 3 nitrogenous bases. So total number of codon will become what? 4 power 3. 4 is to 4 is to 4. That is what? 64. Hargobind Khurana developed the chemical method in synthesizing RNA molecules with defined combination of base, homopolymer, and copolymer. So Hargobind Khurana, he developed the chemical method to synthesize RNA molecules. Marcel Nierenberg developed a cell-free system for protein synthesis. Mr. Nierenberg, he discovered that this protein synthesis can be done without using living system. Then there is one scientist, Severo Okawa. He discovered one enzyme. Name of that enzyme is Okawa enzyme, polynucleotide phosphorylase. This enzyme is used to polymerize RNA with defined sequence in a template-independent manner. So there is no need of template. This enzyme can be used to polymerize RNA. So these are the major discoveries related with genetic code. George Gamow, Hargobind Khurana, Marcel Nierenberg, and Shigeru Okawa. These are the prominent names which who have done Great work in the field of genetic code. As I already have told that there are 20 amino acids. So 20 types of amino acid involved in the translation. Translation is what? Protein synthesis. These amino acids are how many? 20. 1, 2. So amino acid 1 to 20. Total number of amino acid at 20. First is alanine. It is abbreviated as ALA, ALA. Second, arginine, abbreviated as ARG. Third is asparagine, abbreviated as ASM. Fourth one, aspartic acid, abbreviated as ASP. Fifth one, cysteine, abbreviated as CYS. Sixth one, glutamine, abbreviated as GLN. Seventh one, glutamic acid, abbreviated as GLU. Eighth one, glycine, abbreviated as GLY. Ninth one, histidine, abbreviated as HIS. 10th one, isoleucine, ISO. Then leucine, LEU. Lysine, LYS. Methionine, MET. Phenylalanine, PHE. Proline, serine, SCR. Thionine, tryptophan, tyrosine, valine. So already you may have heard the name of glutamic acid in sickle cell anemia, and valine, and this FMED. These are very important. These name will be coming many times. So glutamic acid, valine, already you know. Next is what? Methionine, MET. So these are different types of 20 different types of amino acid involved in the translation. Codon for various amino acids. So which codon code for which amino acid? So here already we know that there are 4 nucleotides: uracil, cytosine, adenine, and guanine is there. In one codon, 3 nitrogenous bases are there. So 4 we have taken here. This is first. This is second. And here this is what? Third. UCAG. UC, UCAG, UCAG, UCAG. So first codon, first U, second U, and third from here. So the codon is what? UUE. Second is U from here, U from here, and C from here. So UUC. Third one, UUA. Fourth one, UUG. So UUG. So here, this codon UUU also code for PHE. UUC also code for PHE. Here, this UUA code for LEV and UUG code for LE. So I hope that this is clear to everyone. In this way, these are different. If we count, there are how many codons are there? 64 codons are there. So this codon AUG, you have to remember AUG. This codon UA, UAG, and UGA. UGA. These 3 codons are known as what? Stop codon. These 3 are known as stop codon. and here it is known as start codon. It is having dual function. It codes for amino acid methionine, plus it also starts the process of translation. Codon is triplet, three-letter code. Codon is what? Triplet. There are three letters in its codon. Out of 64 codons, 61 codon code for amino acid. 3 codon, that is what UAA, UAG, and UGA do not code for any amino acid. So they act as stop codon. They are also known as termination codon, or they are also known as nonsense codon. Sometime in question will be there, which is the correct set of what nonsense codon. So nonsense codon are nothing, they are what stop codon. U, uga. They are also known as termination codon. AUG, this is one codon, has two functions. Dual function means two functions. First, it codes for methionine amino acid and act as an initiator codon. Second, it acts as an initiator codon. In eukaryotes, methionine is the first amino acid and formyl methionine in prokaryotes. So in eukaryotes and prokaryote, AUG code for what? In eukaryote, it code for methionine, and in prokaryote, it code for what? Formyl methionine. An amino acid is coded by many codons, except AUG for methionine and UGG for the tryptophan. There are two codons. One is what AUG and second is UGG. They only code for one amino acid. Other codon may code for many. Many codon may code for one amino acid. So these two are specific, others are what? Not specific. Such codons are called degenerate codon. When one amino acid is coded by many codons, so that codon is known as what? Degenerate codon. So this is the what? Messenger RNA. At 5 prime, there is what? AUG, that is called initiator codon. And at 3 prime, there is a stop codon. Between initiator codon and stop codon, there is what? Codes are there, which all of them they will be coding for different amino acids. No punctuation. When you are writing this codon, no punctuation mark between adjacent codon, comma-less code. The codon is read in messenger RNA in a continuous fashion. AUG, UAC, GUAC, 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 GUAAA. So there is comma is not kept. Genetic code is universal. It is universal means from prokaryotic bacteria to highly advanced mammals. Genetic code is same. Example, from bacteria to human, triple codon UUU code for phenylalanine. Some exceptions are found in mitochondrial codon and in some protozoa. Genetic code is non-overlapping. It is what? Non-overlapping. Means it is what? Not overlapping. Like this cannot be like this. It is what? Starting from here, this is a codon. So no comma, no base, no comma between neighboring codons, adjacent codon. Okay. This is a codon. This is codon. This is codon. This overlapping codon is not allowed. This is not allowed. So genetic code is non-overlapping. Genetic code is unambiguous and specific. That is, one codon specifies only one amino acid. So one codon cannot code more than one amino acid. That's why genetic code is unambiguous and specific. Relationship between genes and DNA are best understood by mutation studies. deletion and rearrangement in DNA may cause loss or gain of a gene and so a function. Insertion or deletion of one or two bases changes the reading frame from the point of insertion or deletion. It is called frame shift insertion or deletion mutation. 5 prime AUG, UAC, GUA, here one insertion of one base. Here one base is inserted. So it becomes GAC. So earlier it was not there. GAC, GUA, CGU, ACG, UAA. This is called reading frame is changed. Normal sequence is this AUG, AUAC, GUA, CGU, ACG, UAC, GUA, CGU, UAA. So deletion of one base. Again, there is a reading frame is changed. So insert this causes what? Mutation. Insertion or deletion of 3 or its multiple base insert or delete one or multiple codon. The reading frame remain unaltered from that point onward, hence one or multiple amino acids are inserted or deleted. A total one codon is added. So reading frame is unaltered, but the sequence of amino acid will change. This is a normal sequence. This is what? Addition of 3 bases. When there is a deletion, again there will be what? Reading frame is unaltered, but one set is what? Deleted. Messenger RNA, that is mRNA, provide template for translation, that is protein synthesis. This is what messenger RNA. It provides template for protein synthesis. Then there is rRNA. rRNA stands for ribosomal RNA. It provides structural and catalytic role during translation. This is rRNA, that is stand for ribosomal RNA. What is its function? It provides structural and catalytic role during translation. Example 23S RNA in bacteria act as a ribosome. tRNA, transfer RNA, or sRNA, or soluble RNA, bring amino acid for protein synthesis and read the genetic code. So these are different types of RNA which are involved in the translation. So messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA is also known as what? sRNA, that is what? Soluble RNA. This is what? Messenger RNA. This is ribosomal RNA. This is what? Transfer RNA or tRNA. It provides what? Transfer RNA provide what? Amino acid. Ribosomal RNA provide what? It provide structural and catalytic role. And messenger RNA provide what? Template. Now we'll discuss about types of RNA. Types of RNA. Francis Crick postulated presence of an adapter molecule that can read the code and to link with amino acid. Transfer RNA is called adapter molecule. What is the other name of transfer RNA? It is known as adapter molecule. Why? Because it has an anticodon, NODOC, anticodon. This is what transfer RNA. It is having anticodon that is called NODOC loop that has base complementary to the codon. It's having base complementary to codon and the messenger RNA. It is also having one amino acid acceptor. This is what amino acid acceptor anticodon loop. It is having ribosome binding site. It is having ribosome binding loop. And it is also having enzyme binding loop. That is enzyme binding loop. So it is having four arms. One is what? Anticodon loop, amino acid acceptorin, ribosome binding loop, and enzyme binding loop. For initiation, there is another transfer RNA called initiator transfer RNA. There are no transfer RNA for stop codon. For stop codon, that is UAA, UAG, UGA. There is no transfer RNA for stop codon. Secondary means two-dimensional structure of transfer RNA looks like a clover leaf. It looks like what? Clover leaf. 3D structure look like inverted air. It is looking like what? Inverted air. So this model is known as clover leaf model. This is a 3 model of transfer RNA. This is clover leaf model of transfer RNA. For initiation, there is another transfer RNA called initiator transfer RNA. There are no transfer RNA for stop codon. Secondary, that is two-dimensional structure of transfer RNA look like a clover leaf model. And 3D structure look like inverted IL. Sometimes the question will be secondary two-dimensional structure of transfer RNA look like what? So clover leaf. 3D look like what? Inverted IL. So this is a messenger RNA. This is what? The sequence on messenger codon and this messenger RNA like AGU. So anticodon will be having what? Adenine will find bond with thymine. Thymine is not there in the RNA, so uracil. One in cytosine, uracil, thymine. So this is what? Anticodon. It will bring what? Anticodon plus it will bring one amino acid. This is what? SER. This is what? Serine amino acid. So here also there is this is a codon and messenger RNA. Then transfer RNA will bring amino acid, which will be what? Complementary to this messenger template on the messenger RNA. So uracil, adenine, adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. So it will be bringing what? Tyrosine. So in this way, I hope that this genetic code is clear to you. Again, revise this video, and if there is any question is there, you can put your question in the form of comment. I will reply. Thank you very much. Once again, I request you, please like, comment, share it with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.